2007 Honda Odyssey camshaft sensor replacement poses this question. How do you tighten a bolt that you can only get one finger on? That bolt right there, you can only get one finger on it. How do you do it? How do you tighten it? You install it with a pair of tweezers. Tie Teflon tape, wrap Teflon tape around the head of the bolt. Pull it in with the tweezers and then pull the Teflon tape so it spins the bolt in the direction that it tightens. No need to remove your tensioner pulley or that metal plate behind the timing cover. That's how it's done right there. Pain in the ass.